Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best online tools and systems to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you a revolutionary platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to disrupt the digital marketing world. It's called AI Disruptor 2.0, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. If you want to learn more about this amazing system and how it can help you generate passive income online, then keep watching this video until the end. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. AI Disruptor 2.0 is an innovative online system that uses artificial intelligence to revolutionize the way individuals and businesses approach digital marketing and income generation. This cutting-edge platform offers a strategic and practical approach to capitalizing on AI's capabilities in the online world. AI Disruptor 2.0 shows you, step by step, exactly what to do and how to do it. You can now disrupt what is already working for people who are using their most precious resource, their time. You replace their time by letting AI do the actual work, and you profit faster and easier than they ever could. It's that simple. AI Disruptor 2.0 works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. You sign up for AI Disruptor 2.0 and get access to the members area, where you will find all the training and resources you need to get started. Step 2. You follow the instructions and use the AI tools provided by the system to create your own digital products, such as ebooks, courses, software, etc. Step 3. You launch your products on various platforms, such as Amazon Kindle, Udemy, ClickBank, etc., and start earning commissions from every sale you make. AI Disruptor 2.0 has many benefits that make it a game-changer in the online world. Here are some of them. You don't need any prior experience or technical skills to use AI Disruptor 2.0. The system is designed for beginners and experts alike. You don't need to spend hours of your time creating content or products. The AI does it for you in minutes or even seconds. You don't need to invest a lot of money up front. The system is very affordable and has a low one-time fee with no recurring charges or hidden costs. You don't need to worry about competition or saturation. The system helps you create unique and high-quality products that stand out from the crowd and attract buyers. You don't need to deal with customer service or support issues. The system handles everything for you automatically. AI Disruptor 2.0 is currently available at a special launch price for a limited-time offer that will expire soon, so you need to act fast if you want to take advantage of this amazing deal. Once the launch period is over, the price will go up to $97 or even more, which is still a bargain considering the value you get from this system. But why pay more when you can get it for less? Plus, if you order today, you will also get access to some incredible bonuses that will boost your results even further. When you order AI Disruptor 2.0 today, you will get access to these amazing bonuses. Bonus number 1, the ultimate guide to making money online with artificial intelligence. This is a comprehensive ebook that reveals everything you need to know about using AI to create passive income streams online. Bonus number 2, the Artificial Intelligence Marketing Toolkit. This is a collection of powerful tools and resources that will help you create stunning graphics, videos, logos, banners, and more with AI. Bonus number 3, the Artificial Intelligence Traffic Generator. This is a software that will help you drive unlimited free traffic to your products and offers with AI. Bonus number 4, the Artificial Intelligence Product Launcher. This is a software that will help you launch your products on various platforms with AI. Bonus number 5, the Artificial Intelligence Support System. This is a software that will help you provide customer service and support to your buyers with AI. AI Disruptor 2.0 has a dedicated support team that is ready to assist you with any questions or issues you may have. You can contact them via email or live chat anytime you need. You can also access the FAQ section and the knowledge base in the members area, where you will find answers to the most common questions and problems. Additionally, you can join the AI Disruptor 2.0 community on Facebook, where you can interact with other users, share your success stories, and get tips and advice from the experts. AI Disruptor 2.0 is a revolutionary online system that uses artificial intelligence to help you create and sell your own digital products online. It's a complete solution that covers everything from product creation to product launch to product support. It's a system that saves you time, money, and effort while generating passive income for you. It's a system that anyone can use, regardless of their experience or skills. It's a system that you don't want to miss out on. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below this video and get instant access to AI Disruptor 2.0 today. Remember, this is a limited time offer that will expire soon, so don't delay. Order now and get ready to disrupt the online world with AI.